to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Air Trainer ones in the dark smoke gray colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming up that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for all of our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. As mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about the Air Trainer ones in the dark smoke gray colorway. I have done the Air Trainer one before, but in the Coriander colorway. So definitely go back, check that video out if you haven't already. That was one of my favorite colors that dropped in this silhouette. But today we're going to be talking about the dark smoke gray color. We'll do the overview followed by size and fit. Then we'll talk about how I style these and conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's get right into it. I am absolutely obsessed with the Air Trainer one. I just think it looks great on foot. I've seen people wear this. It makes your feet look smaller. So if you're somebody who has larger feet and you want a silhouette that makes your feet look pretty good by sizing it down or making it look like it's sized down a bit, this is the silhouette for you. This is a really cool colorway. People have been calling this actually the Batman colorway, which I have to agree with them. I do feel like this kind of looks like a Batman shoe.
I only work in black and sometimes very, very dark gray.
So definitely Bruce Wayne, if you're looking for a sneaker, I think this is your kick. We've got just nice dark grayish tones on the front of the toe box here with blacks and some metallic silvers as we work our way up. We've got the strap in black here, and then we've got some nice just shiny beads on top of that as we work our way up. This is laced with simple black laces. The tongue is in a dark kind of metallic-y gray color scheme, and on the inside of it, it's actually in this lime green color, and the pull tab has Nike in black there, and the pull tab's also in black. All right, let's take a look at those details and then we'll move on to the side panels. Working our way to the side panels, we do have this really cool holographic color scheme going here. I'm trying to move it in the light so you can kind of see that. I really love the effect that it's giving. We do have some nice metallic silver on top of these nice just dark charcoal gray color schemes that work its way to the back to a more gray color for the leather on the back of the heel there. We do have hits of that lime green that you saw on the inside of the tongue for the Nike in the Air, as well as that swoosh on the other side of the heel. The insole is in a nice light blue colorway with Nike and the swoosh mark in a black color scheme. As you wrap around, we do have more of that kind of holographic look underneath the swoosh mark, which is in black, and the underlay on that swoosh is a nice metallic silver, which I think just complements that quite nicely and makes it pop a little bit more. As we work our way down to the midsole, you'll notice that we have this really just nice yellow tone. It's more of a pastel yellow, which I think looks great with the charcoal gray effect that you see throughout this silhouette. We do have some gray here, and it actually is quite spackled. It's got little white spackles. You do see that on the outsole as well. And it just looks like there's some white and black spackles throughout. And then we do have Nike at the bottom there. Let's take a look at those last and final details. right, so moving on to size and fit, or actually before we move on to size and fit, I do want to kind of bring out the Corianders just so you can kind of notice that they really did a great job with really just switching up the color scheme on these. This looks nothing like the dark smoke gray, and I do feel like if you're not into this color scheme, this is just a nice neutral colorway that really is just easy and complementary with anything you may have in your wardrobe, and that's just because of the base of this is mainly these dark charcoal gray colors with lighter grays and then some nice black accents. The only real pop of color on this is that yellow, and there are some kind of hits of that light lime green, which I don't think takes away from the color scheme at all, and I think it blends quite nicely with the rest of the colors throughout the silhouette. As far as size and fit goes, I'm true to size in this 7.5. Again, it does make your feet look quite smaller than they are, which I love. If you do have higher narrow feet like myself, I would say stick true to size. If you do have flatter, wider feet, this could differentiate the size that works best for you. All right, now let's jump into styling. So for the first look, I definitely wanted to play off the color scheme of this with the yellow. So I decided to wear this yellow crop top with some wide-legged denim pants. I do think that yellow goes quite nicely with this.
Might not wanna get close. We a little wild war, covered in tattoos. Run it up, taking all the views. Stepping on place, feeling the fear. I know you feeling it in the air. Whole squad wearing all black. Motivation's looking real bad. We back to the bone, raising a fire alone. We ain't never needed nobody. Give me 6 feet, this is my party. Ain't got no feelings, we heartless. Take a peek inside the darkness.
For the next look, I decided to wear a different shade of yellow for some wide leg pants, but I did pair that with an off-white hoodie, and on the treading of the sides of that hoodie, it was actually yellow as well, so I feel like that was a great color combo that worked quite nicely with this.
Blow up the spot, then we run it. Ready or not, here we coming. Somebody better say a prayer for me. Tonight may get a little crazy. You can meet me outside, but you better buckle up. It's a wild ride. Welcome to the wild side. Wild, wild, wild. Welcome to the wild side. Wild, wild, wild. Welcome to the wild side. Wild, wild, wild. Welcome to the wild side. Wild side. Yeah. Party till 5 in the morning.
And then to give it a more dressed up look, I decided to go with a yellow ribbed fitted dress that was long sleeve, and I think that yellow again just complements the sneaker quite nicely.
My sobriety, struggling with my anxiety. Are you feeling the insanity? Anger inside of me. There is a war in me, and it keep trying to me. Blinded by all of the vanity. Snakes all around and they rattling. Tell them to shut up the chattering. Blow up the spot, then we run it. Ready or not, here we coming. Somebody better say a prayer for me. Tonight may get a little crazy. You can meet me outside, but you better buckle up. It's a wild ride. Welcome to the wild side. Wild, wild, wild. Welcome to the wild side.
You let me know the 3 looks. What was your favorite out of the 3? How would you style these?
Estás aquí.
Now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So again, these retailed at $140, which I think is a great price point for these. And they are, for some sizes, going below retail, and they're going up to $180 depending on what size you are. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you're new here today, thank you so much for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you have not already. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions that you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We'll catch you on the next episode.